Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter in English language, chapter number 12, preposition and its kinds. Preposition, I think you all know, preposition is a word which expresses relationship of a noun or a pronoun to other words of the sentence. For example, in, of, to, at, by, for, with, under, there are many more, etc. are commonly used examples of prepositions. Okay. There are two classified ways. First one is on the basis of function, second is on the basis of formation. In first, on the basis of function, the kinds are preposition of time, preposition of position, preposition of direction. First is your preposition of time. So preposition of time are used to refer to time in various aspects. For example, at, on, in. Okay. We use in time, in month or year, particular time of a day or a month or an year, a century or a specific time in past or future, etc. In these points we use in preposition of time. On we use for a day, dates, particular days, and at we use only time of a clock or short and precise times. Okay. For example, on Sunday we use on for the day on Sunday. In March in 2005, so we use in. At for we use for time, at 3 o'clock or at 4:20 p.m. This is your preposition of time. Next is your preposition of position. This preposition are used to several types of places. For example, on, at, in, across, among, on. These words we use in preposition of place. In is mostly used for a place having some sort of physically or virtually boundary. On is usually used for a surface. At is usually used for a specific place. Okay. Third one is your preposition of direction. These prepositions expresses the direction of a something. For example, into, to, through, towards. This is your preposition of direction. For example, they are going to classroom. To word is your preposition of direction. The snake was coming toward her. Toward is the word which is used for preposition of direction. Okay. Now come to the preposition on the basis of formation. On the basis of formation there is three kinds. First one is simple preposition, second compound preposition, third is your phrasal preposition. The first is your simple preposition. The simple prepositions are short words which are used in simple sentences. Common simple prepositions are at, by, for, from, in, into, of, on, out, over, till, to, up, upon, with, under, down, etc. For example, I'm not coming with you. With is your simple preposition. Okay. She is in the park. In is your simple preposition. We are going to the market. To is your simple preposition. Okay. Next one is your compound prepositions. Compound prepositions are formed by adding the preposition to front of a noun, an adjective or an adverb. When we join nouns, pronouns and phrases, then we use compound prepositions. In compound prepositions, these are about, across, among, beside, before, without, inside, outside, etc. For example, Ali is sitting beside Zara and Ahmed. Beside is your compound preposition. I will reach there before she leaves. Before is your compound preposition. There's a bank right across the street. The across is your compound preposition. Next and last one is your phrasal preposition. Phrasal preposition is a phrase containing a preposition and functions as a preposition in a sentence and connects noun, pronouns or other phrase to other words in a sentence. Common phrase prepositions are behalf, on account of, with regard to, in spite of, in fact, okay, to the fact that, etc. For example, I am playing in the team on behalf of captain today. On behalf of is a phrasal preposition. Okay, thank you class, that's all for today.